Here's a quick guide on how to use the recording buttons in Jamworks. Once you start recording, you'll see three buttons: track back, highlight, and flag. The button here in the middle is Jamworks AI generating its own highlights for you automatically. The time here is the total duration of your recording so far. You can use trackback to take back your highlight 15 seconds to capture the very beginning if you missed it. And you can also select flag to use that as a way to just pinpoint 10 key seconds of that highlight. To make your own highlight, you'll click the button here in the middle. It'll change colors, and this is you creating your own highlight. As you're creating your own highlight, you'll see everything that you're doing being saved listed here below. So if you use trackback to take it back 15 seconds, you can see where it's been tracked back. And if you select flag, it will mark out those 10 key seconds for you of where your highlight started. For more helpful videos and articles, visit our Help Center.